I am going to be using my sandbox course where I test things to demonstrate using outcomes. To import outcomes into your class so that you can attach them to assignments, quiz banks, discussions, and other things, click Outcomes in the navigation bar. Click the Find button. Select the Account Standards link and the Chatfield College link. And then click the appropriate folder for your department. For example, I am going to select INF. Next, you will see a list of folders that contain the outcomes for each course in that group. Select the folder for the class you teach. I'm going to select INF 125. You can see the outcomes here. Next, click the Import button in the bottom right corner. You will get a dialog box that asks if you want to import the group. Select OK. In the left pane, you will see the outcome group, and in the middle pane, you will see the outcomes for your course. To add an outcome to an assignment, you can either create an assignment and add it at that time, or go to an already existing assignment and add your outcome. I'm going to click the assignments link in the navigation bar. I have already created an assignment, but you can create an assignment and then add the outcome. This is my assignment I have created. To add the outcome, you need to scroll down below the assignment and click the plus rubric button. Type in the title. And then click the Find Outcome link below the criteria column. Click on the course folder. In this case for me it's INF 125, and then you need to select the outcome you want to attach to this assignment. I'm going to select INF 125-3. Click the Import button, and you will see your outcome added to the rubric. You can select the trash can on the empty criteria above it to remove that empty criteria. Adding outcomes to discussions is not much different. I'm going to go to Discussions in the navigation bar, and then I'm going to click on my Chapter 1 discussion. This time, you want to click the three dots to the right of the discussion and select Add Rubric from the drop-down menu. Now it is the same process. I gave it a title. I click the Find Outcome link. I'm going to click on the course folder. I'm going to click on the outcome I want to assign to this assignment, in this case ILO2, and I'm going to click the Import button. And now I can remove the empty criteria above and click the Create Rubric button. And I've added that outcome to this discussion board. In Canvas, you can add assessment outcomes to a question bank for any quiz you want to assess. To attach an outcome to a question bank, click Quizzes in the navigation bar. Click the three dots in the upper right corner and select Manage Question Banks. Open the question bank you want to attach the outcome to. I don't have any questions in this bank yet, but I can still attach the outcome I want. Click the Align Outcome button on the right. Click on the folder with your outcomes. Select the outcome that you want to attach to the quiz bank, and then click the Import button. you will see the outcome listed on the right side. Once you have added your outcomes to all assignments, discussions, and quizzes you need to assess, you can assess your students as these are completed. To complete an assessment for an item, go to Grades. I have uploaded a file for the Chapter 2 assignment in Student View so that I have something to grade and assess for my test student. I'm going to click on the submission for the student. Next, I'm going to click the arrow to the right of the grade. I am then going to select the link to SpeedGrader. Once I'm in the SpeedGrader, I can click the View Rubric button. I'm going to make my selection depending upon if the submissions meet the requirements I set for this item or not. Let's say that the student exceeds expectations for this assignment. I will click on Exceed Expectations for both of these criteria. I can then go in and save that and grade my assignment as normal and leave a comment. Once I'm done, I click Submit and I have finished. I can go on and do my next student.